required, which we should do, sir. And for that, the reason I'm demanding is that, sir, I'll give only one example, sir. Only one example. Like today, sir, I'm giving an example. Mr. A's son is seeking an admission in any professional college. Mr. A has to get an economically backward certificate for this year. We have a creamy layer. So this year, my economic status is below that creamy layer and I'm eligible for the scholarship. But no one knows what is going to be my economic status for the next year. So the rule says that every year a student is supposed to pay the economically backward certificate. But at the time of joining the course, he submits the economically backward certificate, and then the second year, third year, and the fourth year, fifth year of any professional courses, they are not submitting the economically backward certificate, and it is being continued like that. So this is the correction which needs to be corrected, sir. Which needs to be corrected, I would say, sir. And when I say this, sir, many leaders will, not agree with me, or many people might say, "Ki Akbar Sahab kya bol diye?" Sir, when I say that when we are losing genius brains to other countries, we are losing our genius brains, sir. Why are we losing, sir? Sir, I'm not against this overseas scholarship, sir, but I would say that if we are giving them overseas scholarship to study in USA, UK, and we are paying them 20 lakhs rupees, we are paying them the hostel fee, we are paying them the air ticket, after completion of the course, they should come back and serve my state and my country rather than staying back there, sir. This is very important, sir. This is very important. When I am investing money, in them, they should come back to my state. They should serve my people, sir. Or if not, sir, some interest should be levied on them, and a special account should be created with which if they are staying back abroad, they should after earning in 10 years, 20 years, they should return back the money which the state has invested in their education. These are the corrections, sir. There are many such corrections. When I talk about MBBS students, sir, undergraduate gets a stipend of 26,000. 26,000. अगर आप 26,000 ले लेते हैं मैडम एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर, उसका पैसा कितना हो रहा है एमबीबीएस ग्रेजुएट का? 25 भी अगर आप ले लेते हैं 6 lakhs. What is your creamy layer, madam? Again, that same students who cleared MBBS, he becomes eligible for post-graduation also. Post-graduation, what is the stipend which is supposed to be paid? 55,000, sir. 55,000 अगर आप stipend every year देते हैं, sir. So the amount comes to how much, sir? More than 6 lakhs. And what is the creamy layer? How is he economically backward? Sir, these are the corrections which require to be done. People are scared to raise this issue, sir, but I am not scared, sir. I say that the benefits should reach the real beneficiaries, sir, not the false beneficiaries. It should go to the poor people, sir, the deserving people who really deserve to be helped by the government, who really need to be helped by the government, sir. Not to everyone, sir, who have buildings, sir. Sir, we see that there are buildings, sir, buildings. Big buildings are there. Sir, I did a survey, sir. I did a survey. Many students are studying with me. And then, sir, the students and we politicians, we say that the government is not releasing the fees. The education institutions should not hold their certificates. Fine, sir. The education institutes will give the certificates to them. They'll take the certificates. They go away. And the government says, that we are coming with a settlement meeting, settlement policy. Yes, we'll settle. This institution has a due of fees of 10 crores. Let us sit across the table and settle it. From 10 crores, we'll bring it down to 4 crores, 5 crores, 6 crores. Why this settlement, sir? Sir, I did a survey, sir. I did a survey. I have a team of my research people, sir. And I have a political and research wing also, sir, which I had in my party. They went and they done a survey, sir. So we took the list of many students, right from BCs and Muslims and all, sir, everybody, sir. Sir, they said that they are economically backward. Sir, we went, my team went, and we identified those candidates, and we searched, and what we see, sir, they have, the father is the owner of 500 square yards of land. He has four 5-storied building. He has one luxury car. He has 4 or 5 motorcycle. And again, he's economically backward. Sir, all the authorities who are issuing the economically backward certificate, economically weak certificate, EBC certificate, are they not supposed to go and do the inquiry and the verification and then issue the certificate, sir? They don't do, sir. They sit in the offices. They just left and right issue the certificates. The institutions and we political leaders, we come up with these figures and say that, okay, this is the pending, this is the pending. Sir, they have to release this.